Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in the previous video, we just drew lots of interesting and awesome art, and I hope you know what degrees and pixels mean. So in today's video, we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be collecting lots of scrap metal with Ray and BB8. So to collect a lot of scrap metal, you open your home screen, which is studio.code.org/home, and then scroll down to Express Cost 2020 and click View Cost. So we have done all of these before. Scroll down all the way here to loops with Ray and BB8 and click number 1. So this is a video. If you want to watch it, you can watch it, but I'm not going to watch it. So in puzzle number 2, go get the scrap metal BB8. So BB8 is this robot and this is Ray. You can see here. And this is all the scrap metal. So scrap metal glows like this. Use 5 of the same blocks to get the scrap metal. Scrap metal glows like this. So you see over here we have our repeat block. So drag that in, would move forward. And then click run. So you don't need any special block to collect the scrap metal. When BB8 just rolls over the scrap metal, then it will be collected. So this is a different puzzle. Instead of writing the code, we just need to choose what will happen when you click run. So the correct answer is C. And then click run and look, the answer is C. And then click continue, and again if you want you can watch this video, but I'm not going to watch it. So in puzzle number 5, it's basically the same as puzzle number 1. Move forward 5 times. And let our BB8 collect all the scrap metal. Now in puzzle number 6, over here, just need to repeat 4 times, move forward, and then turn right, and repeat 5 times, move forward. Then click run, and what is it? BB8 collects all the scrap metal. Congratulations, that's how you complete puzzle number 6. Now in puzzle number 7 over here, we need to move forward once, turn right, and repeat 5 times, move forward. So that's how we complete this puzzle. So that's how you complete puzzle number 7. Now over here in puzzle number 8, can you get it all? Loops even work with more than one blocks inside. Can you loop this sequence? So over here you can see that we have these blocks. So you can just do this. You can use loops inside of loops. That is called a nested loop. So it's like a nest. Like a nest is just one object, but it's made of trillions of sticks. So I'll show you how nested loops work. So I'll remove 2 of these move forwards, and I'll add this 3 times move forward instead, and I'll put it here, and it works the exact same way. So we just need to repeat it 3 times here, and then click run. So that's how we complete puzzle number 8. You can do it. Can you try to get all the scrap metal using just one loop? Try programming it and then finding all the repeat code and put it in a loop. So over here you can just use the repeat block. Can you see a pattern, a staircase? I can see a staircase. So over here we need to repeat 5 times, move forward, turn right here and move forward, turn left, and that's it. So that's how you complete this puzzle. And look, BB8 is going so fast, like BB8 is very fast. And what happened to BB8? BB8 has got more energy. Oh, so this is one challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. I'm ready with the challenge. Challenge, combine ideas. Ready. Challenge, combine ideas from the last few puzzles to complete this level. So over here we just need to repeat 5 times. Move forward, turn left, move forward, and then turn right. And after you've done that, repeat again. Repeat 2 times, turn left, and then repeat 5 times, move forward. So that is how you complete this puzzle. And watch BB8 collect all the scrap metal. BB8 is so fast collecting all the scrap metal. Challenge complete. Arrow in the target's middle. Keep going. Use what you have learned to pick up all the scrap metal. So there is only one way to collect the scrap metal. You can like this. So over here you just need to repeat 2 times. Move forward. Then turn right. And repeat 3 times. Move forward. And then turn right. And repeat 4 times. Move forward. Then turn right. And then move forward. So that is how you just complete this puzzle. A lot of code, but it fits here. 11 out of 11 blocks. Okay, so that is how you complete puzzle number 11. Now, for puzzle number 12, we just need to repeat 3 times. Move forward. Then turn right. And then repeat 3 times. Move forward. Then turn left. And repeat 3 times. Move forward. Then turn right. And then repeat 3 times. Move forward. So that's how you complete this puzzle. A lot of code, but it's easy, simple. So that is how you complete puzzle number 12. Now for puzzle number 13. So puzzle number 13 is the same as puzzle number 3. So we have to choose what will happen when the code is run. So let me look at the code. So BB8 will not travel far enough in the first loop in order to get all of the scrap metal. So the answer is B. And then click run. And look, the correct answer is B. So in puzzle number 14, there are actually 2 ways to complete the puzzle. Keep going, BB8. You are almost there. This time choose any path you like. So you can go like this. or you can go like this. So I'm going to choose the simple path, which is just like this. So to do that, we just need to repeat 6 times. Move forward, then turn right, and repeat 4 times. Move forward. It's very simple doing it in this path. So I'll just show you one trick. By just selecting on one block and it gets a yellow outline and clicking backspace, that is the automatic way that you can delete it, not just dragging it back into the toolbox. So now look, BB8 travels in the simple way. Congratulations, you completed loops with Ray and BB8. So that's how you complete this puzzle. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. But before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Bye.